Alright, so as you might know, still working out from home from my garage gym. Gym equipment is kind of hard to get right now, and I really want bumper plates. And as I'm scrolling through Amazon, load up. As I'm scrolling through Amazon, I see something. It made my brain explode, and I'm so pissed at myself right now, and you will soon understand what's going on, and I'm just gonna go pick up the jigsaw right now with Loki. Here we are at my home gym. So as you can see, the plates that I have are not round. They are also 45s. So we're gonna make wooden bumper plates. What I already did is mark the outline for my bumper plates on the plywood. You're gonna see that here. Yeah. Yo. And then we're going to use one of these. This is a 2 1/8 inch. I don't know what you call these things, but we're going to use this to drill the middle hole in the plate. And I'm also going to use a little wood drill to put little holes around the outline of my bumper plate, because it's quite difficult to saw curves with a jigsaw, and you're going to see that in a minute here. Also, whenever using power tools, please excuse my hair. Whenever using power tools, it is recommended to wear some safety goggles, which I'm gonna just wear sunglasses because Florida and there's sun, and hearing protection, and also a dust mask. I'm gonna be doing this outside, so I'm not gonna bother with a dust mask, but if you're inside or if it's a lot of dust, you should really wear one. Bumpers, of course, solid wood would be way better than plywood. I assume that this will chip fairly quickly when I actually use it, but you know what? It's better than nothing for now. And I would say they each weigh like a pound, maybe 2 pounds. We can weigh that later. First, let's see if it works. Nice. We're also going to make another step because I've been using this one quite a bit. This is a deadlift platform that I made within like 5 minutes because I needed it really quick. That's why it's not that pretty. But turns out I actually used this in my outdoor boot camp class quite a bit. So we're going to make a little bit of a smaller one so I can have 2 people use it at the same time. And also it's a little bit more versatile and, you know, just different options. One more quicksand. Now I can do my super smooth and super light deficit deadlifts. Fuck yeah!
2 days later.
Ain't no love like a real love, but it goes so fast. All tied up like a captive. I'm on to you. Used to pay to my life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I've no more patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a bit longer. You're making me stronger, making me stronger. You're stronger. Stay a bit longer. You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a bit longer. You're making me stronger, making me stronger. You're stronger.
All like the kicks on my feet, haters so they squeak. Rolling deep with the boys, so no police. We beat a Pyrex, hater, you can die vex. Extort who motor like, it's Bobby time.